Mahaba, my name is Christian, I'm the executive chef. Welcome to Conrad, Maldives. Today we're having a little cooking show where we're going to show one of our favorite dishes. I hope you enjoy it. So, allow me to introduce the dishes today and the ingredients first. We're going to start with a jobfish, which is native to Maldives itself. It's a green job, you have a few varieties, but the green job is the softest meat. You have that right here. We already took the liberty to fillet it, make it nice, otherwise we'll be standing here until tomorrow. After that, we have a cauliflower puree. In the cauliflower, we are using a bit of butter, a little bit of curry powder, and an onion. Shallot if you like, or a red onion also. It's the flavor we need and the sweetness, it's not the strength. Besides that, we are doing some passion fruit, which is locally here, and we're gonna dry it in an oven today. That'll be more easier for you guys at home. We do have a hydrator, which works a little bit better, but I don't expect anybody to have that at home. So, dried passion fruit, gonna give you a little kick that you wouldn't imagine, very interesting. Then we have kulhafila leaf, which is a local leaf that grows here. It's very similar to rocket, works really, really well with the dish. And last but not least, we have the whole star, which is rihaakuru glaze. This is what we came up with the dish was because of this one. When I tried this, the saltiness, the way it's made, absolutely inspired me to come up with this dish. I hope you enjoy it today. Fish is cooked, everything ready. Now it's time to plate up. So we're gonna start with the cauliflower puree. Nice spoon on, like that. A little more spoon, just like that. This is what we call kind of pillows. Right there, look at that crust on it, beautiful, no? Lovely tuna glaze, also called rihaakuru. So the first thing, as you notice, when I cook the fish, not too much salt on. Here you have the saltiness. Okay, that one's gonna bring everything together. One, like that, just standing up. That's gonna give you that little bit of fine dining to it. And that one just lay down. Then our passion fruit, the dry one. Different color and a punch of flavor. With the local leaf, kulhafila, which is also similar to the rocket as we talked about before. And there we go. And voila. Grilled choppers with a curried cauliflower puree, rihaakuru glaze, passion fruit, and a kulhafila leaves. I hope you enjoyed the show today. Bon appetit. Right, so the best thing about cooking this lovely food is also to get to eat it. So today I'll take that opportunity and hopefully you guys at home enjoys it also. I'm sure if you follow the instructions very good, as I'm sure you did, you will enjoy this as much as I did. So let's get started. Bon appetit. That's beautiful.